your ignition. Run your mouth but I never listen. You hold me back, will never last. Keep talking all your shit.
Hey colorful weirdos! My name is Nina and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Nina. So for today's video, I will be transforming myself, like literally myself, from hair to makeup to my costume, to my outfit. Yes. For this video, I will be filming 3 Halloween videos. It's gonna be my favorite characters and my worst characters ever. Yung first character ko is, this is my favorite one. So this character is my favorite character talaga, as in, since yung nakita ko siya sa comics, sabi ko ang ganda ng costume niya. I want to be like her. She's one of the reasons why I always dye my hair, because of how vibrant her costume is and her color. And this is gonna be my first time na magsi-split dye ako. I'm actually scared sa mga split dye because I always think of the fading process. But right now, sabi ko, sige, I'm not gonna think of it. I'll just, you know, roll with it. I'll play with it. Let's go. So this character, as you can see sa title na, transforming myself into Harley Quinn. For me to do that, I have to, I mean, you can buy wigs, diba? Yung may mga wigs naman na blonde, tapos color nyo na lang ng pink and blue, ganon. Pero for me, I wanna take it to the next level. I mean, may mga iba naman tao na nagda-dye talaga. Pero ako, this is gonna be my, really a transformation kasi never pa ako nag-split dye ever. So, I will be dyeing my hair, split dye. So, I know she has blonde hair, pero I want na full on pink and blue. Yeah. I will be using, again, from Btch, yung na leftover sa unicorn hair ko. So, I'll just finish this. Oh, hopefully, sakto siya sa half hair ko. If not, meron pa naman akong mga pink hair dyes na nandyan. I'm gonna use rose quartz and sapphire for blue, and then for pink hair, rose quartz. Yon. So, suklayin natin yung hair ko na hindi pantay ang bangs. Ang gagawin ko is hanapin yung center. So, clearly, this is not the center. So, this is my center. I asked my sister to help me find my center. So, I'm not gonna use gloves kasi I actually want it na madumi. Always sa Halloween, I always do this na I don't use gloves kasi parang may effect kasi pag may madumi yung hands. And you're a villain. So, yeah. Ano ba? Medyo weird kasi. But, yeah. Okay. Let's go. I'm gonna start from the top, then sa bottom. Because I'm actually scared baka mawalan ako ng dyes. But I have a backup plan. See, I hate this color. Sobrang tagal niya matanggal. If you want a forever pink hair, this one from Hair Paint Manila, magenta. So I have a lot of Hair Paint Manila products. So baka yun na lang din gagamitin ko. If hindi siya, yeah, you know. If hindi, baka pa din! If hindi dito, nagkulang. If nagkulang, hopefully sana hindi magkulang. So yeah, I'll just, you know, dip it in there. And then just start coloring. Magenta from Hair Paint. Sobrang hirap to tanggalin! I'm trying not to be messy as possible kasi sobrang vibrant pink niya. So, Okay lang, okay lang. Tatabunan na yan. Okay, so I'll sit this in, you know. So the next one is gonna be Saphire. Look at my hands. So ang ginagawa ko, kanina, this one. Okay, gets. So, bounce muna. So this is what it looks like. So I blow dried it muna. I didn't style it first kasi I'm gonna do my makeup, then I'll style it. Yes. So let's go. For this look, so I primed my face na. I'm gonna go and jump in with my foundation. I'm gonna use again True Match by L'Oreal. Parang same ano lang, routine, but like different eyeshadow. I'm not gonna do like white foundation kasi wala ko na. this is the finished look. I hope you like the look. I didn't film this kasi sobrang hirap niyang gawin. So I went to the bathroom and just drew it. So my heart and then there's rotten in it. So I don't have the accessories of Harley Quinn, unfortunately, but I have the full-on costume. You can check that on my Instagram if you want to know my look. I hope you like this video and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you'll get notified when I have a new video.
The way you make me feel, I'm in so much pain. I'm drowning in liquor.